Today we're going to make a chicken salad with a twist out of a cookbook that came from my alma mater. Most chicken salads are typically just mayonnaise based and have a few herbs and spices just to add a little bit of flavor. This one is a little bit different. In place of some of the mayonnaise, it uses Greek yogurt, or yogurt actually, and then it's a curried spiced chicken salad. So it is a little bit more flavorful, has a nice yellow color to it, full of those great antioxidants, and the flavor is really wonderful. So we're going to start making our curried chicken salad. To start off, I've already cooked up some chicken breast, so it just needs to be cubed up into bite-sized pieces. So that's where we'll start. Alright, that's about 1.5 pounds of chicken. So now that we have that done, we'll move on to making our sauce. I guess you'd call it a sauce. I don't know what you call it. Dressing? Dressing. 1/2 cup of mayo. Next we add in 1/3 cup of yogurt, just plain yogurt. You can use non-fat or whole milk, whatever your preference is. If you're trying to cut calories, then a non-fat would be a good addition. That's what the recipe calls for. Next, we'll add in 5 teaspoons of curry powder. The recipe calls for 1.5 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. I'm going to juice 1 lime. Now a teaspoon of honey, 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Now that our dressing is mixed up, I'm going to add in 1 cup of halved red grapes and 1/2 of a small red onion. And I almost forgot 1/2 cup of coarsely chopped cashews. Okay, we'll mix this up. Now we're going to add in our chicken. And this again is about 1.5 pounds of boiled chicken. All right, now we'll toss everything up. Try not to break up the chicken too much. That's done mixing, so here you have a fun, I know I call a lot of foods fun, but I do find them fun. And different. This one is definitely a different chicken salad. So you can take this unique chicken salad to your next cookout, socially distanced of course, and enjoy it.